Hey, look at today. I'm gonna know this new one. A monster truck and a car.
It's a monster truck and a car.
Yes.
So these are the set. You get them, and it comes with the monster truck
That's
and the car. And we got 5 alarm and 5 alarm. So we got the monster truck version of it and the car version of it. And this one is called 5 alarm.
That's golden style.
See, it says includes a free Hot Wheel die-cast car.
Yes.
And then we got the die-cast Hot Wheel. And that's all the ones you can collect. Ooh, did you see the Motosaurus?
Yes.
That is pretty cool. And the Roger Dodger?
Yes.
Wow, we need to find them so we can collect them all.
Yes.
Guys, just to let you know, there's this 5 alarm that's just red like a normal one. This one is 2 5 alarms, but actually this is the golden style.
Oh, that's true. There's a 5 alarm red and then there's a 5 alarm gold. Or yellow.
Open it up.
Right.
Need some help? No. It's raining. Wow. I break it.
Keep doing it. You Hulk smash.
Wow.
Hulk smash force. Okay, come on.
Wow.
Of course, a Hulk smash.
Mine.
You're doing it. I'm just going to make a little hole here so you can do it.
No.
I'm not going to do it. You are going to do it.
I'll do it.
She's just gonna make a little hole.
There you go.
I break mine.
Yes. Wow, there he goes.
There. There is him go.
So this is the Hot Wheel monster truck.
And the hot wheel car. And the wolf has letters.
Oh, look, the ladder lifts.
They start us.
Engine 81.
Letters.
What? Where does the engine 81?
Right here, see, it says Fire Engine 81.
I like
And this one also moves the ladder. Oh, all right. Very cool. So now we need to get them all so we can collect them.
Yes.
The red one comes with another car. It comes with a sudden stop.
Yes.
No, it comes with a speed bump. So 5 alarm and crushed coupe speed bump. Oh, very cool. So those are crushed already, I see. Oh man, I so want to get the Motosaurus. That is pretty cool. And the Roger Dodger. Did you see that, Logan?
Yeah, I want a Motosaurus.
I know, they didn't have it. So we'll keep looking for it.
Because my favorite dinosaurs are Stegosaurus and Motosaurus and Stegosaurus.
Oh my.
We'll keep looking for it.
I like another monster truck fire truck car.
Right. All right, boys and girls, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye. You know what they can do in the ground? A car, another monster truck.
I don't know, but hey. Bye.